in dot product scalar product. Sixth question. Find the magnitude of A, magnitude of B. If A plus B into A minus B equal to 8 and magnitude of A equal to 8 magnitude of B. So simple, easy problem, 2 marks. So solution. So first of all, you take this condition. What is the magnitude of A equal to 8 magnitude of B. So first you squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So magnitude of A square 64 and magnitude of B square. This is the condition. Okay. Next, magnitude of A bar plus B bar into A bar minus B bar. So it is A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B, you know, is this formula. A plus B into A minus B equal to given here 8. So magnitude of A square minus magnitude of B square equal to 8. A plus B into A minus B. So magnitude of A square minus magnitude of B square equal to 8. So magnitude of A square value we know. That's why we first take this one. Magnitude of A square value is 64 magnitude of B square. Magnitude of A square value is 64 magnitude of B square. 64 magnitude of B square minus magnitude of B square equal to 8. So 64 minus 1 means 64 magnitude of B square, 1 magnitude of B square. So 64 minus 1, 63 magnitude of B square equal to 8. You calculate like this method or common, magnitude of B square common, you get 64 minus 1, 63. So 63 you take that side, magnitude of B square equal to 8 divided by 63. Magnitude of B square means magnitude of B equal to square root of 8 divided by 63. So magnitude of B equal to root 8. Root 8 means 2 root 2. Square root of 63 means 9 7 means 3 root 7. So this is magnitude of B. Next, what about magnitude of A? So here you know. So magnitude of A equal to 8 into magnitude of B. You know this. Magnitude of B value you know here. Magnitude of A equal to 8 into 2 square root 2 divided by 3 square root of 7. So magnitude of A equal to 16. 16 root 2 divided by 3 root 7. This is A answer. Magnitude of A, magnitude of B. So find the magnitude of A, magnitude of B means magnitude of A equal to 16 root 2 divided by 3 root 7. Magnitude of B equal to 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 7. This is your answer. Next, simple, easy. Calculate, evaluate this product of the two questions. So here A plus B into A minus B formula, modulus of A square minus modulus of B square proof, same method, this one. Solution, see here, 3A bar minus 5B bar into 2A bar plus 7B bar, it is equal to. So first you multiply this both and another next is. So 3 into 3A dot 2A plus 3A dot 7B plus minus 5B into 2A, these both. Again plus minus 5B dot 7. See here A bar dot A bar modulus of A square, you know. So there is a 6 modulus of A square plus 21 A bar dot B bar plus it minus 10 B bar dot A bar. So scalar product is commutative, means A dot B equal to B dot A. So here B dot A means nothing but A vector dot B vector minus 35 B dot B means magnitude of B square. So simplify these both. What do you get? 6 magnitude of A square plus 11 A dot B minus 35 magnitude of B square. This is your answer. Solution. Problem number 8. Example 17. Both are same model. Find the magnitude of two vectors A bar and B bar having the same magnitude. Means A bar and B bar have the same magnitude, and such that the angle between them is 60 degrees. Theta value is 60 degrees, and their scalar product means A dot B is 1 by 2. So simple solution. It is also 2 marks question. So first, same magnitude A bar and B bar have same magnitude. It means magnitude of A equal to magnitude of B. This is the condition. Next, the angle between theta equal to 60 degrees. Theta equal to 60 degrees. Scalar product. Scalar product means A vector dot B vector equal to 1 by 2. A vector dot B vector. So you already cos theta equal to means angle between two vectors. Cos theta equal to angle between two vectors. Cos theta equal to A vector dot B vector divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. This is the formula. You know it is. So cos theta means theta value is 60. Cos 60 equal to A dot B. A dot B means 1 by 2. Magnitude of A. Again magnitude of A equal to magnitude of B. Same magnitude means it is also magnitude of A. Now you take here. So what you get? Cos 60 value. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. Cos 60 is nothing but sin 30. So 1 by 2. Again 1 by 2 divided by magnitude of A square. Magnitude of A into magnitude of A, magnitude of A square. Cross multiplication. It means magnitude of A square equal to 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 get cancel. Magnitude of A square equal to 1. Therefore, magnitude of A value is 1 and magnitude of B value also 1 because of magnitude of A equal to magnitude of B. So, A and B are unit vectors because of magnitude is 1. That's why these both are unit vectors. Right. Next, question number 9 and question number example 18. These both also same method, easy simple way. So solution. See here. X bar minus A bar into X bar plus A bar equal to 12. A is a unit vector A bar. A is unit vector. A bar is unit vector. It means magnitude of A equal to 1. So A plus B into A minus B. Formula apply here. What do you get? Magnitude of x square minus magnitude of A square, it is equal to 12. Magnitude of x square, magnitude of A value is 1 because of unit vector. So 1 square equal to 12. 1 we take that side. Magnitude of A x square equal to 12 plus 1. Magnitude of x square equal to 13. Magnitude of x equal to square root of 13. This is magnitude of x. This is also one mark, very very important. 10.3 exercise, question number 10. If A bar equal to this vector and B bar equal to this vector and C bar equal to AI plus J are such that A plus lambda B is perpendicular to C. Means perpendicular means dot product is 0. Perpendicular means dot product is 0. So solution. A plus lambda B bar is perpendicular to C bar. It means A vector plus lambda B vector dot product equal to 0. This is the main condition. So A vector means you know already 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap plus lambda B means minus lambda I cap plus 2 lambda j cap plus lambda k cap. This is lambda B dot product C. C means 3 I cap plus j cap equal to 0. So here I component simplification. It means 2 minus lambda I cap plus 2 plus 2 lambda j cap plus 3 plus lambda k cap into dot product 3 I cap plus j cap equal to 0. So A dot B equal to 0 means you know what is the formula? A dot B equal to 0. Then A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. This is the formula. You know A3 B3 equal to 0. Apply that formula. So what you get? A dot B equal to 0. Then A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 means perpendicular vectors. Here I component 2 minus lambda into 3 plus 2 plus 2 lambda into 1. Next this value into 0 equal to 0. So 6 minus 3 lambda plus 2 plus 2 lambda equal to 0. Sum of these constant values 8 minus lambda minus 3 lambda plus 2 lambda. It means minus lambda equal to 0. Therefore lambda value is 8. Lambda minus lambda is 8 is said. Lambda value is 8. This is answer. Simple. 2 marks. It is also same like that. Solution. What condition here? Perpendicular. Perpendicular means dot product is 0. So modulus of A into B bar plus modulus of B into E bar into dot product modulus of A B bar minus modulus of B into A bar equal to 0. So solution proof. Modulus of A into B plus B modulus of B into A modulus of A into B minus modulus of A modulus of B into A bar. It is equals to, this is total A, this is total B, A plus B into A minus B, A plus B into A minus B. So you know already modulus of A modulus of B whole square minus again modulus of B modulus of A, this is B square. So modulus of A modulus of B or modulus of B modulus of A, both are same meaning, these both are cancelled, you get the answer 0. So therefore modulus of A B bar plus modulus of B A bar and modulus of A bar B bar minus modulus of B bar A bar is perpendicular. Right. So simply it is one more question. Solution. 12th question. 10.3 exercise. If A bar dot A bar equal to 0 and A bar dot B bar equal to 0, then what can be concluded about the vector? So A vector dot A vector 0, A vector dot A vector equal to 0 means A is perpendicular to A. So A vector dot A vector equal to 0, then A is perpendicular to A. So A vector dot A vector means magnitude of A square equal to 0. Magnitude A vector dot A vector means magnitude of A dot A means magnitude of A square. So magnitude of A is equal to 0. A vector equal to 0 vector. A vector is which vector? 0 vector. So A vector dot B vector equal to 0. Here A vector is 0 means B also 0. So then B is any vector. B is any vector because of A is 0. So A dot B equal to 0. So B vector is any vector or 0 vector. That is the solution of 13th question. Very important question. 2 marks. So many times repeated. This 13th problem and example problem number 29. It is a miscellaneous exercise. So simple. Miscellaneous example problem in this. Miscellaneous exercise also one more problem, that these two problems and that in exercise problem 3 problems are very important problems. So simple. First, A bar, B bar, C bar are unit vectors. Unit vectors means you know already. A bar and B bar, C bar are unit vectors. Unit vector means magnitude of A equal to 1, magnitude of B equal to 1, magnitude of C also 1. Again, what condition we can do here? And A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to 0. A bar plus B bar plus 0. A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to 0. It means A plus B plus C whole square formula. It means A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square equal to modulus of A square plus modulus of B square plus modulus of C square plus 2 into A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C C bar plus C bar dot A bar. Here total plus this one value is 0. 0 square means 0. Modulus of A 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square minus plus 2 into A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar. So up to here 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square 3. 3 you take this side minus 3 equal to 2 A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar. So you take 2 also this side. So A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar equal to minus 3 divided by 2. This is your answer. So simple, easy scoring question. This one 2 marks. This is the main formula. A plus B plus C whole square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Like this. 10.3 exercise. If either vector A bar equal to 0 or B bar equal to 0, then A bar dot B bar equal to 0. But the converse need not to be true. Justify your answer with an example. So simple. The statement. Solution. Statement. Statement. If either vector A bar equal to 0 or B bar equal to 0, then A bar dot B bar equal to 0. This is the condition. So, converse. Converse means if A bar dot B bar equal to 0, then either vector A bar equal to 0 or B bar equal to 0. So this is the converse. It is need not to be true. It means it is need not to be true. So ये true होने की जरूरत नहीं है. वो proof. So first let A bar equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap minus K cap. And B bar equal to 3I cap plus 2J cap right. This one we take, this is B vector equal to A vector is S, B vector product is product. You take here minus. So A bar equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap and B bar equal to 3I cap minus 2J cap. So A bar dot B bar equal to A bar dot B bar means 2I cap plus 3J cap dot product 3I cap minus 2J cap. You know A1 B1 A2 B2. It means A bar dot B bar equal to 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus 3. So A bar dot B bar equal to plus 6 again minus 6. Value is A bar dot B bar equal to 0. This value is 0. So A dot B equal to 0, but A bar is not equal to 0 and B bar is not equal to 0. 0. B bar also not equal to 0. So converse, the converse is need not to be true. This is 14th question. 10.3 exercise. If the vectors A, B, C of a triangle ABC, vertices, if the vertices A, B, C of a triangle ABC are 1, 2, 3, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2 respectively, then find the angle ABC. Angle ABC is the angle between BA bar and BC bar. So first of all, you write solution. OA bar equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3j cap. OB bar equal to minus I cap. OC bar equal to j cap plus 2k cap, 0 I cap. So this is. So first you calculate BA bar. BA bar is nothing but OA bar minus OB bar. So BA bar equal to OA bar minus OB bar. So BA bar equal to OA bar. OA bar is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap minus into minus plus I cap. So BA bar equal to 2I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. This is BA bar. So its magnitude BA bar equal to square root of 4 plus 4 plus 9. BA bar magnitude equal to square root of 17. Next, BC bar equal to OC bar minus OB bar. This is the formula. So BC bar equal to OC means j cap plus 2k cap minus into minus I cap. It means BC bar equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. So magnitude of BC equal to square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 4. Magnitude of BC is equal to square root of 6. This is. Next, BA bar dot BC bar equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. This is the formula. So apply this formula. BA bar dot BC bar equal to 2 into 1 plus again 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. These both. 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into. So BA bar dot BC bar equal to 2 plus 2 plus 6. Its value is 10. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10. So this is BA dot BC equal to 10. So what is the angle between BA bar and BC bar? Angle, it means is theta. Let theta cos theta equal to BA bar dot BC bar divided by BA bar magnitude BC bar magnitude. This is your formula. So cos theta means angle ABC equal to BA dot BC means 10 divided by magnitude of BA value is root 17 root 6 10 divided by square root of 102 angle ABC is cos inverse of 10 divided by square root of 102. This is your answer. Right. Okay. Vectors, scalar product, 10 bundle exercise. Question number 16. Show that the points A, B, C are collinear. Collinear means you know already which points are lie on the same line. A, B, C. So these are collinear points. So solution. OA bar equal to I cap 2j cap plus 7k cap. OB bar equal to 2I cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap. OC bar equal to 3I cap plus 10j cap minus k cap. Okay? Right. Next question. First, AB bar equal to AB. OB bar minus OA bar. You know is this formula. So AB bar equal to 2I cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap minus I cap minus 2j cap minus k cap. So AB bar equal to I cap plus 4j cap minus 4k cap. This is AB bar. Magnitude of AB equal to square root of so AB become. Next, BC vector. So its magnitude, calculate its magnitude also. What you get? Square root of 1 plus 16 plus 16. Magnitude of AB equal to square root of 32 plus 33. 33 means 3 root 33 its value. Okay. BC means OC bar minus OB bar. Next, BC bar equal to OC means you know already 3I cap plus 10j cap minus k cap minus 2I cap minus 6j cap minus 3k cap. BC bar equal to what you get? I cap plus 4j cap minus 4k cap. 4 again. Right. So this is BC. So BC bar equal to magnitude square root of 1 plus 16 plus 16. BC magnitude equal to root 33. So it's root 33 value. Magnitude root 33. Its value also root 33. So next value. Next AB, BC. The next AC. What about AC? AC bar equal to. First of all, you have to calculate AB bar magnitude. BC bar magnitude. Next AC bar. OC bar minus OA bar. This is the formula based on triangle. OC bar equal to AC bar equal to 3I cap plus 10j cap minus k cap minus I cap minus 2j cap minus 7k cap. So AC bar equal to 2I cap plus 8 j cap plus minus 8 k cap. This is AC bar. So AC bar equal to magnitude square root of 4 plus 64 plus 64. Magnitude of AC equal to 2 square root of 33. This is AC. So therefore AB bar plus BC bar equal to AC bar. It means root 33 plus root 33 equal to 2 root 33. So therefore A, B, C are collinear forms. This is the answer. Question number 60. Collinear means this is one method. Another method also. So it is also 2 marks, very important. 17th problem. Show that the vertices of a triangle or right angle triangle. It is also before exercise 10.2 exercise we did 17th problem. Same method. You do homework. Next 18th question. If A bar is a non-zero vector, magnitude is A, and lambda a non-zero scalar. Lambda is what? Non-zero scalar. Then lambda a is a unit vector. If so, here A magnitude is magnitude of A equal to A, and magnitude of lambda a bar is unit vector. It means magnitude of lambda a bar is 1 because of unit vector. Its magnitude is 1. So magnitude of lambda, magnitude of A equal to 1. Magnitude of A, you know A. Magnitude of lambda A equal to 1. So A equal to 1 divided by magnitude of A. This is A value. So option number D correct. So it is one more option. So see guys, remaining example problems, you do the homework. If any difficult question, contact me. Next, scalar product. It is 10.3 exercise also. Total completed scalar product. You know, all the guys enjoyed this all problems. If you difficult any problem, any doubt, contact me. Then next we will calculate next class. Okay, thank you guys.